nice top, and depending what we do on the sides, you know how big the TV is, we'll just limit what we can do.
Seth wanted to make sure that you didn't do a curve on top.
How about in the front room, do we want, in the office, does he want the tops of those arcs or flat too?
Flat.
Everything flat.
I used to rule the world, seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone, sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll the dice, feel
We're going to do the TV with DVD storage on the side. So there'll be two doors, so they'll look like little raised panels right here between the TVs.
That's cool.
minute I held the key. Next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand.
So in this room, what we've done is we've torn out an existing library cabinet. We've rebuilt, we're adding lights to the top, deeper lowers, adjustable shelves. The ceiling here, we're going to add another beam to create a coffered ceiling look. All the window coverings will come down and it'll be floor to ceiling wainscot. This room, what we're doing is a plank-on wainscot. The walls will get textured, repainted, and then we put a small panel mold to create squares. So in this room, what we're doing, we've tore out a stained grade cabinet. We need to fit a new TV, so we've rebuilt an upper cabinet, and then it'll all be stained match. Kitchen, we'll get a tongue and groove ceiling with 3 beams, which will all be paint gray. Okay, so what we're doing is we're building a matching cabinet to match that one over here. Then what we're doing is wainscot, a tongue and groove style wainscot all the way through the room. Crown molding like that will continue through the room. Chair rail.
I have what we like to call background music. And it starts with Spandau Ballet. Because this much is true.
So true, funny how it seems, always in time, but never in line for dreams. Head over.
Okay, so in this room we've completed what we originally talked about. We've got the matching cabinet in. We have a tongue and groove style wainscot at 36 inches tall, just below the light switches. And then we finish the room off with crown molding. It's a 6-inch style 410 crown molding.
Kevin was super professional and super friendly, and he was actually my favorite. We had a ton of contractors. He was definitely my favorite one to work with. You know, he helped me out a lot, coordinating a bunch of different work that I had going. I thought that was really great. It's just dazzling. I mean, these houses that are new built, when there's no custom finishes in them, they just look really, you know, like a big box. And I think that the work that Kevin did just makes it such a custom, beautiful home. It just completely changes the whole look of the house. So, I mean, I would do it again and again and again. I'd say that, I mean, the thrust of our remodel was the woodwork, and I don't even know how we could live in this house the way it was before versus after.